Miss Honey is looking for a way to notify her patrons of their overdue textbooks. She would like to set up Textbook Tracker to automatically send email notices weekly. Whether you want to print slips to give to teachers or send scheduled emails, the Notices operation allows you to customize and save the email and print notices you send or give to your patrons. Be sure to check out our Support Center page on configuring Textbook Tracker to send emails before setting up your email notices. In Operations, you have 3 categories: information-based reports, labels, and notices. To print or send notices via email, go to Notices. On the left, you'll have a list of your saved notices. These are notices you have created and saved for future use. To the right, you have the Details pane, where you can add a notice, see your scheduled notices, and learn more about notices. Once a notice is selected, it will show the details of the selected notice. To add a new notice, click the plus sign to the top right or Add Notice. This brings up the notice templates, which are sorted by categories to the left. Each notice has a brief description of the different print formats. For overdue notices, go to the Textbooks Out category and select Overdue Items Notice, then click Create. On the Overview tab, you can customize your notice name and add any usage notes about the notice. You also have selections to favorite, share, for those of you in a centralized catalog, schedule, and notify. When scheduling the notice, you have the option of the frequency and around what time you'd like the notice to run or send the notice email. In this example, we'll set it to run weekly. If scheduling email notices, we suggest checking the Notify box to enable email notifications and entering your email into the Send Notification To field. The notification is sent upon report completion. The Selections tab is where you pick the records for the patrons you want to send the notice to. Check the box to Show Additional to see more selections. To send the overdue email notice to all patrons that have an overdue item, leave the selections as is. On the Options tab, choose your format, such as email or letters, and select if you want to include cover art. Your options will vary based on the format you select. When selecting emails, you have the additional option to send only to the primary email, or both primary and other emails, such as parents. Customize the notice text to include any important information you want to include for your patrons. You can choose to save the notice now by clicking Save at the top right. This will save the notice to your Save Notices list and will set the notice to run and send respecting your schedule preferences. If not scheduled, you can run the notice now by clicking Run. If printing notices, you can then retrieve the notices by going back to your operations, by clicking Operations from your side nav, or by using the message drawer, then clicking the PDF icon once the notices are ready. If you're passing along the notices and need to include the operation summary with the notice PDF, you can use the download icon in the middle to download the results with the summary included. When sending email notices, the PDF will show a list of patrons who received an email. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can always reach out to our excellent customer support team.